Designing a tiny living room can feel like solving a puzzle, especially when you want the space to be both functional and visually appealing. Every piece of furniture matters because limited square footage leaves little room for mistakes. Fortunately, minimalist design offers the perfect solution. By focusing on simplicity, practicality, and thoughtful furniture selection, even the smallest living room can become comfortable, stylish, and surprisingly spacious. Choosing the right furniture is not about sacrificing comfort, but about selecting pieces that maximize every inch of available space while maintaining a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. With careful planning, a tiny minimalist living room can become one of the most inviting spaces in your home. Start by understanding your space. Before purchasing any furniture, take accurate measurements of your living room. Knowing the exact dimensions helps prevent buying oversized pieces that dominate the room or undersized furniture that feels disconnected from the overall layout. Pay attention to doorways, windows, electrical outlets, and natural walkways. These architectural features influence where furniture can be placed and how people move throughout the room. Creating a simple floor plan, either on paper or with a digital design tool, can help you visualize different layouts before making any purchases. Proper planning reduces costly mistakes and ensures every piece fits comfortably. Prioritize essential furniture only. Minimalism begins by identifying what is truly necessary. Instead of filling the room with numerous pieces, focus on furniture that supports your everyday lifestyle. For most tiny living rooms, the essentials include a comfortable sofa, a practical coffee table, appropriate lighting, and perhaps a media console or storage cabinet. Additional items should only be included if they serve a clear purpose. Avoid purchasing furniture simply because it looks attractive in a showroom. Every item should contribute to the room's functionality without creating unnecessary visual clutter. The fewer but more purposeful the furniture pieces, the more spacious your living room will feel. Choose furniture with slim profiles. Bulky furniture can overwhelm a small room almost instantly. Instead, select pieces with slim frames, clean lines, and simple silhouettes. Sofas with narrow arms and exposed legs create a lighter appearance than oversized designs with thick cushions and heavy bases. Raised furniture also allows more of the floor to remain visible, making the room appear larger. Coffee tables with thin metal frames or glass tops contribute to the same visual effect by reducing the feeling of heaviness within the space. Minimalist furniture emphasizes elegance through simplicity rather than excessive size or decoration. Invest in multifunctional pieces. In compact living rooms, furniture that serves multiple purposes offers tremendous value. A storage ottoman can function as a footrest, additional seating, and hidden storage all at once. Nesting tables provide flexible surface space when needed and can be tucked away afterward. Sofas with built-in storage compartments or modular seating systems also help maximize functionality without requiring additional furniture. By selecting versatile pieces, you reduce clutter while increasing the practicality of your living room. Select light and neutral colors. Color has a significant impact on how spacious a room feels. Light-colored furniture reflects more natural light and creates an open, airy atmosphere. Neutral shades such as white, cream, beige, soft gray, and light taupe work exceptionally well in minimalist interiors. These colors establish a calm foundation while making the room appear larger than it actually is. To prevent the design from feeling monotonous, introduce subtle contrast through textured fabrics, wooden accents, or black metal details. A restrained color palette reinforces the clean simplicity that defines minimalist living. Keep storage hidden whenever possible. Visible clutter can make even beautifully designed furniture appear disorganized. Choosing furniture with concealed storage helps maintain a tidy environment. TV consoles with closed cabinets, coffee tables with hidden compartments, and benches with lift-up storage provide practical solutions for keeping everyday items out of sight. Remote controls, charging cables, books, blankets, and magazines can all be stored neatly while remaining easily accessible. Hidden storage supports both organization and visual simplicity, two essential principles of minimalist design. Balance comfort with scale. While selecting compact furniture is important, comfort should never be sacrificed. A sofa should still provide adequate support for everyday use, and chairs should remain comfortable for guests. The key is finding furniture that matches the scale of the room rather than choosing the smallest available option. For example, a well-proportioned two-seat sofa often works better than an oversized sectional in a tiny apartment. Similarly, one comfortable accent chair may provide greater value than several smaller seating options that overcrowd the room. Choosing furniture with the appropriate proportions creates balance and harmony throughout the space. Use vertical space wisely. When floor space is limited, walls become valuable design opportunities. Floating shelves provide storage and display space without occupying the floor. Wall-mounted cabinets and media units further reduce visual clutter while maximizing functionality. Tall, narrow bookcases often work better than wide storage cabinets because they utilize vertical space instead of expanding horizontally. By drawing the eye upward, vertical furniture also helps create the illusion of higher ceilings and a larger room. Add personality through carefully chosen accessories. Minimalism does not require eliminating decorative elements altogether. Instead, it encourages intentional decoration that complements rather than overwhelms the room. A textured throw blanket, a single statement artwork, or a stylish floor lamp can add warmth and personality without disrupting the clean aesthetic. Indoor plants also make excellent additions to tiny minimalist living rooms. They introduce natural color and softness while maintaining a simple, uncluttered appearance. The goal is to select a few meaningful accessories instead of filling every available surface. Think long-term when buying furniture. Quality should always take priority over quantity. Investing in durable, well-crafted furniture often proves more economical than replacing inexpensive pieces every few years. Timeless designs with neutral finishes remain attractive even as decorating trends evolve. This approach aligns perfectly with minimalist principles, emphasizing thoughtful ownership and lasting value. Before making any purchase, consider whether the furniture will continue meeting your needs several years from now. Choosing versatile pieces that adapt to changing lifestyles ensures your living room remains functional and stylish over time. Create a living room that feels bigger than its size. A tiny living room doesn't have to feel cramped or limiting. With thoughtful furniture selection, careful planning, and a commitment to minimalist principles, even the smallest space can become both practical and elegant.